Hello everyone, welcome to Sell on Amazon onboarding webinar. My name is Jeetu. Today I will be walking you through the different features which are available on Seller Central. Primarily we will be covering account settings, then we will quickly go through the inventory management, creation, and then different kind of reports that you could pull and how to create the promotion. Then we will go through order management, performance management, and business reports. So that is the agenda for the day. So first, in order to log into Seller Central, you have to go to sellercentral.amazon.in. Then you need to enter your username and password, then click on sign in. The moment you sign in, you will be taken to the dashboard. So the dashboard will have the most important things that you should look at on a daily basis. You should be able to find that on the dashboard. So if you look on the left side, you can find your orders, the number of orders that you've got in the last day or 7 days. Then you will have performance metrics. If you look at the center, you can find Amazon Selling Coach. So if there is any inventory, listing issues, you will be able to find that from here, and then you can quickly go there and fix that issue. Then other options as well. Below that, you will find headlines. So headlines will contain the important updates, that is being given from our end. So all the important updates you will be able to look up from the headline section. And on the right side, your payment summary and sales summary, as well as your case log. So if you have contacted our seller support team, then you will be able to find those cases, and you can quickly click on it and then manage it from there. So that is about the dashboard. Now let's so if you if you look here, you will find the different options on the top. So your inventory management can be done from here. Order management will be done from this order section. Then reports, performance, messages, help, and settings. If you want to find, if you don't know a particular section, then if you want to read about that, you can quickly search for that particular content from the search option. So first, let's go through the settings option. Well, let me go to account info. So in the account info, listing status, it is active right now. Suppose if you want to deactivate your listing, say that you have gone for a vacation and you don't want to sell on Amazon, and you want to take down the entire listings from the Amazon website. There are two ways to do it. Either you can upload a price and quantity file and then make all the listings as 0, or you can just quickly click on edit and make it as inactive. The next one is display name. So this is a internal test account. So the display name, this will be the name which will be displayed on the website. So you quickly click on edit and customize that information. Then you need to enter your right customer service and customer service reply to email. So customer service reply to email is mainly used, customer, after they get the order details as an email, when they reply to that email, this will be the email address that we will use to send those information. Customer service phone number is another important important thing that this is a mandatory thing. You have to enter the customer service number. Then you can quickly update your business address. You just quickly review it, and if this is not the right information, please make sure that you update this business address, place of establishment information. Then you have deposit method. This is a mandatory step that you have to complete from your end, without which we won't be able to launch your account on the platform. So you can quickly click on add and then add your bank account details. Um, Next one is return address. So the return address is the address that we will use um, in case if the customer want to return the product. So this will be the address that we will display to them. So you can I'm just going to enter the return address right now. So either you can enter a new address or you can quickly use the one which are available. I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to click on submit. All right. You don't have to really worry about the merchant token because that is a deprecated um, uh, attribute. So let's go to the next option, which is notification preferences. So we will send several notification from our end. Whenever you get any new order, we will send out an email. So this will be the email address that we will use. In case if you want to update, you can just click on edit and you can update. If you want to add more email address, you can do that. So here you can add more email address. Similarly, listing notification. Whenever you close a listing or whenever you create a new listing, we will send out an email. So this notification for the listing creation, we will send out only when you try to create a listing one by one. Bulk listing creation, we will send out a notification. Then report notification, and then we have other notification as well. So whenever there is any new update, any business update from our end, we will use this email address. Whenever there is any technical notification, like if there is any unscheduled maintenance which is going to happen from our end, then we will notify you through email and we will use this email address. Emergency contact, we will not display this information to anyone outside Amazon. In case for anything, in case of any emergency, if we want to contact you, we will use this email. So request you to make sure that you enter a contact, phone number and email address there. Now another option that I recommend, that we recommend you all to sign up, is for our SMS service. So whenever you get a new order, we will send out an SMS to you, but you have to sign up for that. Remember one thing, we will send only 15 SMS in a day. If you're getting more than 15 orders, then we will not send more than 15. So we encourage you to sign up for that. So it is very easy. Click on sign up, then provide your number there, and select the option, and then agree to the terms and condition. Click on continue, and SMS will send out from our end just for the verification. You enter the verification code, and then the number will be active. Okay, let's go to the next option, login settings. You can quickly change the username as well as the password from here. So you can just quickly click on change and then update that information from there. Let's go to return settings. So the now this return, I will be covering that in a while because we have this manage returns. When we go through the manage returns, we will I will explain this in detail. Let's skip this and go to the gift options. So you can go ahead and enable gift messaging and gift wrap option from Amazon. By default, it will be disabled. Gift messaging means if you enable gift messaging, I'm just going to quickly enable gift messaging. All right. So then select the length and then the gift messaging, the number of lines. So I have enabled it right now. Now, if someone try to buy the product that I've listed, when they go to the checkout, they will get an option, you can enter the gift message. So the customer can enter the message. So when you ship out the product to the customer, make sure that you enter this, just write on a paper and then send it along with the order. Another important call out that I would like to mention here is even if you enable the gift option from the Seller Central, that doesn't mean that for all of your listings this will be displayed by default. You have to enable the gift option for each product. So for each product there is something called as is gift messaging available, is gift wrap available. So you have to mark it as yes in the product level. And I'm going to enable the gift wrap as well. I'm just going to click on edit. So you by default you can enter 4 different gift wrap and make sure that the image, there is a size limit. You can upload only 71 by 71 pixels. Make sure that you upload the right size of the picture. Then I'm just going to put a test description here. Wrapper also test. You can also charge for gift wrap. So suppose that you're going to offer 4 different kind of gift wrap, maybe silver, gold, or any other paper, and you want to charge something from the customer. I'm just going to put 25 rupees for gift wrap. What does this mean is if they want to go for gift wrap service, and if they want to go for any of these gift wraps, they will have to pay for it, 25 rupees. You can also make it as free. If you want to provide a free gift wrap service, you can make the charge as 0. Remember one more thing, gift wrap and gift messaging, even if you enable from the Seller Central, that is not enough. You have to enable that from the product level. From the product level, when you try to create a listing, there is a attribute called is gift message. You have to make it as true. Gift messaging and is gift wrap, both option you have to make it as true. Only then the gift messaging and gift wrap will be displayed on the shopping cart. Let's go to the shipping settings. So if you want to charge the shipping price from the customer, you have to configure the shipping from the Seller Central. Now I'll just give a brief on what we have done. We have divided the country into 2, urban areas and rural area. For urban area, we have 2 shipping speed, which is one is 2 to 4 days, and another one this is expedited shipping. You can see it here, expedited. And for the next shipping speed that we have for urban is 4 to 7 days. So for urban 2 to 4 and 4 to 7. For rural areas we have only one shipping speed, which is 5 to 14 days. Now the shipping price can be configured based on the weight of the product, or you can configure a price banded shipping. That means from 0 to 1000 you want to charge 50 rupees, 1000 to 2000 rupees you want to charge maybe 70 rupees, and above 2000 it is free shipping. So I will show you how to configure this price banded in a while. The next option that we have is you can charge a flat rate per shipment, a flat rate of 70 rupees. That is also possible, or per item. So suppose that there are 3 items in the cart, and for each item you want to charge 30 rupees. That is also possible. Now, this is the current shipping is based on it is a free shipping. So there's a test account. I've made it as free shipping. Now I'm going to show you how to enable the price banded shipping. Now just click on change shipping model. I'm going to select price banded one. Click on continue. So I want to do a pan India delivery. So I'm not gonna remove any of this option. So I want to offer both expedited and standard shipping rate for urban area. So I'm just gonna leave this check, uh, leave it like that. And even I want to ship it to the rural area. In case if you don't, if you don't want to ship it to the rural area, you can just uncheck it. Just gonna leave it as checked. Click on continue. And so here I'm gonna add more bands. Okay, so I got more bands here. I'm gonna do 0 to 500. I'm gonna charge 30 rupees. 500 to 1000. I'm gonna put 60 rupees. 1000 and up, it is gonna be free shipping. Okay, so I've enabled that for domestic. I want to do that for this is expedited, sorry. I want to do that the same band for domestic and for rural. So instead of adding more bands and adding the rates, there is an option copy bands to region. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to copy that to these two options and then click on, I'm sorry, you have to select this option as well, band and rate, and I'm gonna copy and continue. So the bands has been copied to the other two options as well. I'm just gonna click on continue. So this is just for you to review. In case if you see that something is wrong, you just click on the back button and then update it. Just gonna click on confirm. All right. So now this is the price banded shipping. Now in case if you want to change the price banded to weight based, you can quickly do that. Just click on change shipping model. Click on, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to quickly show you what you need to do from your end. Now you have this per item and per weight. One call out here is if you want to go by weight based shipping method, so per kg if you want to charge maybe 100 rupees, make sure that for all of your listing you have entered the shipping weight. If you have not entered the shipping weight, then the shipping price will not be calculated properly on the checkout. So this is very important if you are using the weight based shipping. Now the flat rate that I was talking about, if you want to do a flat rate of 70 rupees, so you have this option per shipment. In the per shipment, you just make it as 70. So flat rate of 70 rupees will be charged, and you have to do this for other two regions as well. So here also 70. Sorry. And here also you put 70, and then you click on continue and then confirm it. I'm not going to do it. Okay, so this is the shipping settings. Now another call out is so here you have 2 to 4 days, 4 to 7, and 5 to 14 days. That is your delivery time. Now suppose that you are getting an order today, you will get 2 days. So by default, there is something called as lead time to ship that Amazon will give you. So the lead time to ship by default is 2 days. So 2 days is for you to procure your item and then pack it and then ship it out to the customer. Once you ship it out to the customer, you come to Amazon and then you confirm the order. You have to do that. So after 2 days, you have to deliver the package within 2 to 4 days, or 4 to 7, or 5 to 14 days, whatever the customer has selected. If you want, you can even increase the lead time to ship. So if you are importing the products, outside India, then you can increase the lead time to ship to maybe 5 days or 4 days if you want. You increase the lead time. I'll show you how to increase the lead time later in the video. You increase the lead time, and then so suppose the lead time is 5 days, so 5 days is for you to get the product and ship it out to the customer, and then you have to deliver within 2 to 4. If the customer they have selected 2 to 4 days, then you have to deliver within 2 to 4 days, or 4 to 7, or 5 to 14 days. Now if you don't confirm the order within that first 2 days, the lead time to ship, then we will give you additional 48 hours. And that 48 hours is it is inclusive of Saturday and Sunday. Now if you don't confirm the shipment within next 48 hours, then the order will be cancelled automatically, and there will be a 2.5% of penalty which will be charged to the seller. So just be mindful about these charges, because it is very important, because if we cancel the order, that will hit even your performance metrics. All right. Let's go to the next section, user permission. So if you want to add your employees to access the Seller Central, then you can do that. I'm just gonna send a test email. So if this is your employee's email, you can just quickly send the invitation to him. So the person that you have sent the invitation to, he need to log in to Amazon and then confirm that. So I'll just show you how the email looks like. All right, so this is how it look like. He will get an invitation email, and then what he need to do is after he signs in, he go to this URL and he need to sign into Amazon. He need to have an Amazon ID and password. If he does not have Amazon ID and password, he can just quickly go to amazon.in and then he can sign up. It is a free sign up. After he sign in, he will get this confirmation code. That confirmation code he need to tell that to the main admin user, and then the admin user will confirm whether the code is correct, and then he will add the permission. So this is how the user permission works. So so if you want to give access to any of your employees in the organization, then you can quickly add him to the Seller Central, and post that he can use his email ID and password, and then he can access the Seller Central. Let's go to info and policies. So you have to so there are several options here about seller. You need to write about your business in the about seller. So we have given even some cues for you to write about your business. If you don't have any online store, then you will have to create it. So how to create that, you can just go through this. So use this section to describe how your business started, how long you've been around, what your company philosophy is. There are some clues that you can pick up, and then you can build on top of it. So about seller is important because everyone will see this is a public information. If they go to Amazon.in, they will be able to look that up. Then you have to update your seller logo. It is not mandatory. It is an optional field, but it is a desirable thing on Amazon, because if you go to any detail page, let's go to any of the detail page. Let me just go to Amazon.in. I'll just quickly show you where exactly this logo will be displayed. Let me just click on this product. So this is where you will see the logo. So it is not mandatory, but it is a desirable thing. Then shipping, you need to write about your shipping policies and shipping rate. Returns and refunds, we will not allow you to edit that. But if you want to put your privacy policy, if you're offering gift services and if you want to write about your gift, the services that you offer, you can put that information over here about gift messaging and gift wrap. Frequently asked question. This is also an optional field. If there is any FAQs for your business, then you can put that information there. And if you want to create any custom help pages, you can create from there. So this is about the settings, the account settings. Let's move on to the inventory section. So if you want to create your listing on Amazon, there are different ways to do it. One is you can create your listing one by one, search for a product, then put your offer details and then create. If you want to add your products in bulk, you can do that. We have templates available. Then we have something called as listing loader. If you have the barcode number like UPC, EAN or ISBN number, you can put that barcode in our listing loader template and then you can create listing in bulk. So I'll run you through these 3 steps very quickly. Let's go through the first one, add a product one by one. So here you need to search for your product. I'm going to search of Maluha. Click on search. Then you will find all the search results you will be able to find right below that. If you want to sell your product, just click on sell yours. Click on seller SKU. That will be your unique identifier from your end. It can be a product code as well. So I'm putting towels. Then condition, you need to mention the condition. It is new. So whatever is mentioned in asterisk, that is the mandatory field that you have to fill in, without which you will not be able to create your listing. Condition note is optional. Your price will be the price at which you want to sell. I'm going to put 100 rupees. Low price for new 90 means so someone else is selling the same book at 90 rupees. If you want to match to that price, you just click on match, then immediately it will be changed to 90. Sale price and sale start date and end date, it is not mandatory. So suppose if you want to run any kind of promotion, only then you need to use that. So if you want to do any promotion on Diwali, maybe like 3 days, you will put the selling price at at that promotional period. Let's put it as 85, and then you put the start date and end date. So only during this period, the price will be 85 rupees. Otherwise, it will be 90 rupees. So this is not mandatory. So make sure that you put your selling price in the your price section. Then you put the quantity. Let's put it as 3. Handling time. This is the lead time to ship. So I told you that lead time to ship is 2 days by default. If you want to change it to 4 days, then you can do it from here. And this is what I was talking about, the gift wrap and gift messaging. So we have enabled both gift wrap and gift messaging from Seller Central. But if you want to, if you don't enable this in the product level, it will not be displayed. So I'm just going to keep it as enabled, both gift wrap and gift messaging. And then you click on, save and continue to create the listing. All right, so then you will get the message that congratulations, your product is now listed for sale on Amazon. Then you will be able to find your SKU number and ASIN number. Now it'll take maybe a couple of minutes to display that over here. Let me just refresh that, see whether, yeah, it has come here. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly delete that. If you want to delete this, just click on action, delete product and listing. That's how you delete that particular listing. Okay, now I'll show you the bulk method of uploading the product. I'm gonna open a template. I've already opened it. So how do you download? I mean, the template is you can download our template. If you want to upload products in bulk, you can download it by going here. You can go to inventory, add products by upload. Click on download template button. Then you can scroll a little bit down. And this is what I was talking about a little bit earlier, the listing loader. We will go through this. These are our templates. You can download the template from here. I've already downloaded the template. Let me just open that. All right. So when you open the template, you will see 7 different sheets. So I'll quickly run you through this. So the first one is an instruction sheet. This will have the instruction about how to fill data. You can just go through this whenever you have time. Then we talk about the image guidelines. There are certain guidelines that you need to follow, like you cannot have watermarked image. So there are other, the image should be of white background. If you look at this, this is not allowed. And if you look at this one also, there is a shade here. So there are certain guidelines that you need to follow. Just go through this. Then you have data definition. So data definition talks about the attributes and the definition about that. So template sheet is a sheet where you need to enter all the data. Now, for each template, there will be certain attributes which are required. If you do not provide those attributes, you will not be able to create the listings. So how will you find that is you go to data definition, and if you look at the last column, and if you filter by required, there are different options which are available. So if I want to find out what are the required attribute for this health template, you select required, and then it'll tell you which are the attributes which are required to create the listing. Okay, now it'll give you even the optional and preferred and other attributes as well. So go through the data definition if you want to find out those details. Template sheet is a sheet where you enter the data. Now you have lot of information here, so make sure that you enter as much as data that you have. If you have more information, don't hesitate to put here, because if you put more information, the detail page looks really good, and the conversions will also be more. So put the data over here. If you want to find out some example, how to fill the particular template, then you can go to the example sheet. We have some sample values there. Then we have a valid value sheet. So certain attributes has got predefined values. Say for example, product ID type. So if you click on that, it'll give you the different options. So in order to get this drop down, make sure that you enable the macro. So wherever you have this predefined values, it'll display that as a drop down. Again, if you look here, you can find, health, MISC, or personal care appliances. Now, so that's regarding the template part. So you add all the products that you want to upload. You just put that information here, and then you have to save the file as text tab delimited. Before you upload any product to Amazon, make sure that you save the file as text tab delimited. How you do that is just click on File, then you have Save As, and I'm going to put it on template sheet. Then from the drop down, you select text tab delimited, and then you click on Save. It is very important. Um, all the files, if you want to upload anything on Amazon Seller Central, it has to be text tab delimited. Now, how to upload the file? I'll show you. You have to go to Seller Central, then you click on Inventory, go to Add Products via Upload. From this drop down, you select Inventory File. Then you click on Choose File, and then choose the text tab delimited, and then you hit on Upload button. This is how you upload the file. The check file is mainly to find out whether there is any error in the file. This will not upload your products to Amazon Seller Central. You can do the check file to find out the errors, and after you fix the error, then you can go out and upload it. But eventually you have to do this upload. So that is how, so we have already covered how to create the products one by one using the Seller Central. Now we have covered how to create the product using the template. The next one that I'm going to cover is how to create the product using Listing Loader. So how to download the Listing Loader is, again, you come to this page, you click on Download Template, and if you scroll down, there is Listing Loader template. You can download this. I've already downloaded the template. This is how the template look like. Again, for this one also we have, okay, let me just enable that template. This is how the listing loader looks like. So again, you have instruction sheet. You can read through this. So again, for this one, you have to enable the macro in order to use the listing loader. Then you have data definition. Then you have preferences. Then you have listings template. So this is a place where you need to enter the product code, that is the barcode number. So the listing loader is mainly used to create the listing in bulk. If you have a list of ISBN or list of EAN code, this template is very useful to create the listing in bulk. So what you need to do is, first you need to enable the macro. After you enable the macro, you will get this add-ins. So here, first thing, you have to enter the credentials. So you click on credentials and you have to enter this details. So how will you get this details is you have to go to developer.amazonservices.in. You have to go to developer.amazonservices.in. You will come to this page. You click on sign up for MWS. Then you select I want to access my Amazon seller account with MWS. Click on next. Accept the terms and condition. Then you will get this merchant ID, marketplace ID, and other details. So just copy this information. Go back to your listing loader. Put that information. After you click on OK, it'll ask you to enter a security password. So that security password, you can use it later. So every time you don't have to enter the credential again and again. You can just enter the security password and then you can use the form, use the template. Now, after you enter these details, you need to click on bulk lookup. So I'm going to enter my security password. What will happen is it'll contact Amazon server and it'll pull the data from there. Okay. So what happened is that I've provided 2 EAN code. So one EAN code, it has gone to this page, product with multiple matches. That means that it identified that there is a duplicate on the on Amazon website. Ideally, it should not happen. So somehow, there is duplicate. So what you need to do is you need to enter the SKU number. I'm just going to put test 123, and then you need to enter your price, maybe 5,000, and then you need to just click on upload. So this will directly upload your products to Amazon Seller Central. It is very easy. So in some cases, products can go to products not found page. That means that that particular product is not available on Amazon. In this case, what has happened is it has identified a duplicate. So in this case, what we recommend you to do is get in touch with Amazon seller support and just report this so that we can take necessary action from our end. What we will do is internally we will investigate and then we will merge the products or products into one. So this is very straightforward, the listing loader. Now let's go back to Seller Central. All right, let me go to inventory page. So this test account, we have created some listings. If you want to search a particular product, you can search it from here. Then you have action tab, status will be active. Then your SKU number will be displayed here. Then your ASIN number if you want to find out. ASIN number is Amazon Standard Identification Number. So for each listing that you create, we will map that listing to a ASIN number. That is a unique number that Amazon provide. It will be a 10-digit number. Then you will be able to find the product name. Then the availability. This will be so that means that there are 2 products which are available. Then you will be able to find your price, the price at which you want to sell this product. Then this option I have enabled it for this account. You may not see this, your buy box price, sales rank. So you can quickly enable those from here. You can just click on this wheel here, and then I've enabled the minimum price and maximum price. I'll explain what is that in a while. So that's why I'm able to see that option there. Okay. Now, after you create the listing, the next one is you need to the next step is to manage those listings. So you will have to make sure that the price and quantity is up to date. So in order to update price and quantity for a particular listing, you can do it in 2 ways. One is from the UI, Seller Central UI. So here you just, if you want to change the, if this particular product has gone out of stock, what you do is just come here, make the availability as 0, and then the save button will be enabled. You just click on save, and this product will be out of stock. Now within next 15 minutes, this product will be taken out from the Amazon website. There is a slight lag, after the update happens, and then the time that we take to take down the listing from Amazon website. Similarly, if you want to update the price, you can just quickly do it from here. So this is one by one. If you have more products, then it will be very difficult for you to update price and quantity from the Seller Central. Like doing it one by one will be very difficult. So we have a template for that. So we have a price and quantity template. I'll show you how to download the template and how to upload it on Seller Central. You click on inventory, go to add products via upload, then click on this download template, scroll down, and we have this price and quantity. So just download that template. I have this template downloaded. Let me just open that. Okay, here you go. So this is the price and quantity file. You have the data definition. It talks about the attributes that we have here. So if you want to update the price and quantity in bulk, you have to enter the SKU number, your product code, then you enter the price. Then you have 2 options, minimum seller allowed price and maximum seller allowed price. That means suppose the price of the item is 100 rupees, and now you put the minimum seller allowed price as 80 rupees and maximum allowed price as 120 rupees. Now what happens is, by mistake, if you update the price as maybe 50 rupees, what we will do is we will go ahead and suspend that listing, because you have mentioned that for this particular product the minimum price is been set as 80. So if it goes below 80, or if it goes below goes above 120, then we will automatically suspend the listing. So again, we will send out a notification email. Then you just go ahead and find out what happened, whether it is due to error or some other reason, and then you go ahead and update the right price, and then it'll come back. The listing will become activated again. You put the quantity here, and again, if you want to update the lead time to ship in bulk, you can do it from here. I told you the default, we have already talked about the lead time to ship. By default, the lead time to ship is 2 days. If you want to increase the lead time to ship for this particular product, you can do it from here. And again, you have to save the file as text tab delimited, and then I'll show you how to upload it again back to Seller Central. You have to go to Seller Central. You go to inventory, go to add products via upload. You will come to this page. From this drop down, you select price and quantity file, then click on choose file, choose the price quantity file, and then click on the upload now button. That's how. So there are two ways to update the price and quantity. One, using one by one, you can update it from here, or you can do the price and quantity template and then upload the template in, update the price and quantity in bulk. Now let's go through this, the options that you have on the left hand side. Now you have, if you want to see all the active products, you click on active. So even though I have 9 products, only 4 are active. Only these 4 are active. And if you want to find the inactive products, you can find it, and it will tell you the reason as well. So the first one is inactive due to out of stock, so it is 0. Second one is inactive due to pricing error. That means, see, I have set for the second product, I have set the maximum and minimum price as 2 and 10, but the price here is displayed as 10,000. So that is the reason why it is suspended. Now if I update the price to 4 and then I click on save, this will become active. I'm not going to do it. Okay, the next one is, this is also out of stock, and this is also pricing error. So this the reason for the pricing error for this one is we have not set the minimum and maximum price range, but still it got suspended due to pricing error. So the pricing error will kick in. It will kick in if the price of the product is less than 25 rupees, or if the price of the product is more than 3 lakh, automatically the system will suspend those listing. But if you think that the price is accurate, if you put the price as 10 rupees and you want to sell it at that price, it is mandatory for you to put the minimum and maximum price, otherwise it will be suspended. And another scenario where we will suspend the listing, automatic suspension, is if the price of the product is less than 80% of the list price. In that case also we will suspend the listing automatically. Next, so if you want to quickly find out all the pricing products which are suspended due to pricing error, then you can quickly find that from here in the pricing alert section. Suppressed listing, we can see that there is one listing which got suppressed. This listing got suppressed because there is no image. Because image is mandatory. If the image is not there, we will go ahead and suspend the listing. So make sure that you update image for all of your listings. All right. Let's go through the inventory report. So after you upload the products, then uh, you can download different kinds of inventory report from the Seller Central. Uh, you have inventory report, active listing report, open listing. There are so many reports which are available. How to generate this report is you just select the report that you want to download, and then you click on request report. I'm just going to click on this. It'll take maybe like 5 or 10 minutes, and again that depends upon the number of listings that you have. So inventory report, uh, so you can see that inventory, we have requested the report, and it is not complete, it is still generating the report, and after some time you will be able to find this download button when the report is ready. So I've already requested this some time back, and this report is ready. So you can just click on download and you can see how it looks like. Just gonna download it. So it is a text file. You have to open that in an Excel file. So when you open that, it'll open in a notepad. What you do is just copy it and then you paste it to Excel file so that it'll be formatted properly. I'm just going to open it in Excel file. This is how it look like. So the inventory report will contain SKU, ASI number, price, and quantity. So different report will contain different attributes. So you need to, you are the judge. If you want to get more information, then you have to go for active listing report. Now, the inventory report will contain SKU, price, quantity, and ASI number, very limited information. Make sure that if you have more than 50,000 listing, make sure that you download only inventory report, because other report will slow down our servers. Now the active listing report will contain some more information when you compare it with inventory report, and it will contain both in stock and out of stock product. Open listing report is almost similar to active listing report. Only difference between these two is open listing report will not have the out of stock product. Then you have open listing light and lighter, which is a subset of open listing report. If you want to quickly find out the listing quality and suppress listing, so you have uploaded in case of apparel and shoes or any other softline categories. If you have uploaded many products without images, then all those will be suspended. And if you want to quickly find out which are the listings which are available without image, then you can quickly run this report, the suppress listing report. It will give you the SKU numbers which are which you have uploaded without images. Then you have sold listing report. You can quickly find out what are the products that you have sold in a particular period, that you can quickly download it. I'll just quickly show you that. Okay, so this is the sold listing report. So you will have the name of the item, then you have the listing ID, SKU number, the price at which you sold, buyer email. Very limited information you will have, but still, if you want to quickly find out the information about the listings that you sold, you can quickly download that report. My suggestion is, if you want to read more about the inventory report, you can just come to inventory report, and then you click on learn more. It'll have the much more in-depth information about the different reports. And these reports can be used to, you can use it to reconcile it with your inventory. You can quickly reconcile the data and find out which are the ones which are low on stock on Amazon, low on inventory on Amazon, and which are the ones which are going to go out of stock soon, so that you can go and replenish it. So different kind of decision that you can make by looking at this report. Let's go to the next section, promotions. So Amazon will allow you to create promotions. So one promotion we have already discussed. When you try to create the listing, you can provide that sale price, sale start date, and sale end date, and you can quickly run a promotion. That is a price, if you want to quickly run it, you can go by that way, or the detailed options are available in the manage promotion section. Um, so before you create a promotion, you have to first create a product list. Suppose that during the Diwali period, you want to you want to promote maybe 20 products, from your inventory. First, you create that product list. So this is how you create the product list. You click on Manage Product Selection. I've already created some test promotion, but still I'll quickly run you through this. Click on Create a New Product Selection. And there are different options available. So you will be familiar with your SKU number. So I would recommend you to go by SKU list. Then you click on Submit. This will be the tracking ID. This is mandatory. So I'm going to enter Diwali promotion. Again, as an internal description, I'm going to provide the same thing. SKU number, you need to put the SKU number. So if you want to promote multiple products, then you put below this. Okay, and then you click on Submit. So what you've done right now is you have created that product list, the products that you want to promote. Now you need to go ahead and create the promotion. Create the promotion and then apply that promotion to this product list. I'll show you how to do that. Click on Manage Promotion. And we have different options. You can create free shipping promotion, or you can create money off, or you can go for buy one get one, or external benefit. Let me go through the money off promotion. I'm just going to click on Create. These are the different options which are available for you. So how many items customers should purchase to get that offer? I'm going to put it as 1. Here you need to select the product list. So the promotion should be applied onto the onto this product list, Diwali promotion, and either you can go for amount off or percentage off. I'm going to go for 5% off, and then you need to enter the start date and end date. I'm going to put it as, let's say, May 1st to May 30. 1 month I want to run this promotion. There's the start date and time. Internal description, Diwali promotion. Tracking IDs, you can just leave the default one. Then you click on Review. So you review the promotion. So what does this mean is, if the buyer purchase one item from the products which are available on this Diwali promotion, we have entered 3 SKUs there, they'll get 5% off. And the promotion will start from this date, and it'll end on this particular date. And then you come down, you just review it, and then you click on Submit. Just remember one thing. So if you want to run a promotion for, if you want to create a promotion and run it in the next 1 hour, that will not happen, because promotion will take 4 hours to active. Now, if you go to active promotion, you will not be able to find that. You just go to pending. You click on search. You can find that this is the Diwali promotion that we have created. So it will take 4 hours to activate a particular promotion. Okay. So similarly, you can create promotion for free shipping or money off or buy one get one or external benefit as well. So we have covered even the manage promotions. So the entire inventory section that we have covered. All right, so I'm going to stop here. Thanks for watching the video. The next section will be covered in the second part. So just stay tuned.